So, a few months back, gosh, it might have been a year ago, I saw on Amazon that you could send in an invitation to do Alexa Auto. And Monday I was picked on their invitation list. So I did the Alexa Auto and the air vent mount because I'm not sure how this is going to mount. So I went ahead and bought this just in case I needed it. So this is a unboxing kind of first thoughts. I'm going to plug it in, see if I can get it working. So we'll see. So it's a plain black box. It's got the Amazon smiley face on it. Actually, I just noticed that. So I don't know if this is like a pre-production item, and they're testing it, or if it's just limited to certain people for now. So yeah, you can see the smile there. It's got a little thing you tear open here. Okay, so that's what you see when you first open it. So it looks like it has, let's just pull this on out, little tab to pull it out. So it has a cigarette lighter plug, so that's nice if you have an older vehicle. We'll see if it plugs in to the USB and works like it should, like I'm thinking it should. So here's your USB cable, and it looks like that it's the older style. It's not the USB-C, I think they call it. It's different. So there's another wire here, and this one is an aux cable. Actually, it feels like a really nice aux cable. And then looks like it has some kind of mount, a little cleaning wipe. It's kind of rubbery, I think. So we'll see how that mounts. And then we have the Echo Auto and some instructions here. It's way smaller than what I expected. And here's my hand. The pictures make it look like it's, that long, but it's actually, pretty small. So I think I have a really good spot picked out in mind that I think I can mount this. So and I'm curious to see if this works in my garage. I can hook it up to my radio in my garage possibly, and have Alexa out there. Because in my truck I already have kind of Google built in. Whenever I plug in my phone and Android Auto kicks on, there's a little microphone where I can say, "Hey Google," and it'll pop up and I can start talking. So shut my door all the way so I can go off. Okay. So here's the Echo Auto instructions. There's also things to try. That's kind of cool. I might take pictures and post that at the end of the video in case one of you guys get one and want to try something, or well, yours will come with that. Okay, so first it says plug in one end of your micro USB cable into your port, which is in the middle here, and then the other one into your car's 12-volt power. You can also use the car's built-in USB port, so you can just use the USB if you wanted to. So I have that cable right here. So we'll just plug it in. I'm gonna need my keys. Sorry, looking for my dog. So we'll start it up. You're gonna need your phone, which is right there. Hopefully I can do this and record at the same time. So, plug it in. It's making a noise. And it lights up blue.
Hello. Let's get rolling. When you can safely do so, go to your Alexa app and add a new device.
Okay. So it looks like I'm gonna have to stop the video, set it up, and then I'll record again. I'll go ahead and go through the next steps. So download the Alexa app, which I already have Alexa in the house. So I already have the app. It says set your Echo Auto using the Alexa app.
Ready for setup. When you can safely do so, go to your Alexa app and add a new device.
It's turning orange right now. See that? So, all right, I'm gonna get that hooked up, and then I'll be back. So I got it all set up. I put the screenshots in between the videos when I stopped it. So yeah, it's pretty much just mounting and talking to it. It seems like just like any other Alexa device. Where did it go? There it is. So it's upside down. The cord's on this side, and I'm just gonna hold it upside down. So I have it hooked up with it runs through the Bluetooth. So I guess we'll just say, Alexa, play Bluegrass on Spotify.
Shuffling bluegrass covers from Spotify.
I don't know what it covers. Alexa, stop. Okay. Yeah, it seems like just like any other Alexa device. I'll have to do a long-term video to see how I like it versus the Android Auto. I have a habit of plugging in my phone and then putting in my console whenever I get in my truck, especially for a long drive, because then I can access my music from my radio and everything. It's super convenient rather than actually having to touch my phone. I don't touch my phone. I disagree with touching my phone while I'm driving. Anyway, I'm not sure what these two buttons do on top. Okay, so one of them is an action, so I guess if you can't say Alexa, then you can just push the button. Oh, never mind. Okay, so let's try it. I'm gonna push the action button. Yeah, that's what that does. So now this other one, it's microphone off. Okay, and it lights up red. And then she's red. So, Alexa. Alexa. So now the government can't listen to you. That's a joke. So yeah, let's try this mount out real quick. Let me check on the dog. She's fine. Okay. So this is pretty flexible. It's got looks like just like a sticky pad. I guess it'd be like oh, I forgot what it was called. There used to be a phone mount that you can get, and it suction cup to your window, and then it have this kind of material on it, and then it sticks. You can stick your phone to it, and then you can wash it with hot water, and then it's like brand new again. So this goes. There's a little opening at the bottom there, so it looks like you just stick it in there, just like. It's pretty tight. There we go. Now I can stick it anywhere I want. So I'm gonna have to mount that more permanently later. And then it has an alcohol wipe too. I'll show you my setup here in just a second of where I was wanting to put it, but I don't think I'm gonna put it there anymore. It's like a little spot for sunglasses that I don't. I mean, I put my sunglasses there sometimes, but so now I'm opening the air vent mount. Just want to try it out and see if that would be a better option to mount it. So get my knife, open it up. Just got a little piece of tape. It doesn't have anything you can tear off on this one. Actually, it is perforated, but we're just going to cut it because that's easier. Okay. So this one does have the square thing on the bottom like that other mount does. And all that's in here is instructions. It's a magnetic shelf. I wonder if that other one's magnetic. I just didn't notice. Interesting. So, okay. So it's wrapped in plastic. There's these little arrows on it, and I'll show you that in just a second. So this is for your air vent, and depending on how you want to mount it, it's got little detents so you can snap it in. And on the front side, it has a spot for your wire. So let's see if we can mount that right here. And it's got nice soft cushion right here. So let's try it out. Oh, that fits pretty good. It's nice and tight. Okay, I don't think I'm going to do that. Maybe over here on this side. The wire was in the way. Can I mount it up there? No. Tangled up with my other wire. So I like this mount. The only issue I have is my air vents are almost straight up and down. Some mounts like this. It'd be nice if the Alexa was, level. Oh, turned on.
A level, map, area, stage, world,
Alexa,
track, board.
Stop. There's the mute button. Comes in handy, I guess. So yeah, it looks like it's going to have to be angled like this. I guess depending on how your air vents are in your car. So, reason why I'm probably going to mount it on the passenger side is because my wire cuts across in front of my screen. So, I like this mount. That's actually a pretty decent mount. I'm going to run my wire straight down. Like that. Nice. That's nice. I like that. I like this. Okay. So we'll just do that. we go. I'll have to see about figuring out a way how to run that wire a little bit better. I have this other wire. Nice. That's super convenient. I like the magnetic mount on it. That's really cool. Nice. That works out pretty good. So I'm gonna show you guys what my truck looks like, and show you where I'm mounting it right now. So yeah, that's I like that. That's a really nice touch. And this is magnetic, like I just said. There we go. So yeah, I think I'm gonna like that a lot. You can kind of still move the air vent, but I don't ride over there in the passenger seat, so I'm not worried about it. But yeah, that's kind of a neat thing, and it seems like it works out pretty good. Alexa, play classic country.
Shuffling classic country from Spotify.
That's gonna do it. Wonder if... Oh, there it goes. That's really cool. Alexa, turn on living room. I guess I'll, oh, yeah. I just looked, the lights are on. Maybe the lights are on sounds like Alexa somehow. I don't know. But that's what's good about that mute button. So I'll have to plug my phone up and do another video on to see if I can use Alexa and Google at the same time. Not at the same time, but be able to plug up my phone, use the Android Auto, because I read where you can't have our Android Auto going while while you have this plugged up. But I'll test that out, and I'll see what happens. But yeah, there's the Alexa Auto, and then the air vent mount. It's really cool. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this mount or not, but I could put it just right there. But I'm probably not going to use it. The overhang is too much there. And then it didn't really fit there well. It could fit here pretty good, but then I'd have the wire going all the way across. So I really like this so I can get this wire a little bit more out of my way. So yeah, it's really nice. I like that. It seems like a pretty nice product so far. So I'll do another video here in a few months to see how it goes, and thank you guys for watching. And I would appreciate it if you subscribed, if you liked the video enough. So, yeah, there she is.